Lancaster, being a heavy highway construction company, utilizes equipment every day. And sometimes you need to have something specific to you or something specific that would help other companies. So ECMS, being the company they offer mods to help you specify exactly what you need. And I don't believe there's any other company out there that does that. And that's what makes them so unique to have as our system, our ERP system. They came in and helped us to get our process to be the best that it could be. It helped save us time, it helped to save us money so that our equipment department didn't have to go in and do repetitive action over and over. And that one mod saved us over $20,000 just by making that one mod, and the cost of that mod was minimal. For what we had done. We can run our business the way we want to and not the way that we're limited to by a computer system. ECMS allows us to be who we are and not who we are forced to be.